promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Yo, what happening? Back with another video, man. Check this out. Just left the car show. Had a little show or whatever, man. And I got a couple demos or whatever, but a couple guys, you know what I'm saying, was letting their system cool down, so I missed out on a couple demos. So this video right here will be pretty much a recap of the show. You know what I'm saying? I ain't talked too much in it. I just got some footage. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't there that long, so I did what I could. I did what I could do. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all here just watching the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. It's a growing channel. I'm trying to get better content more frequently. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, grow the channel or whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see the thing in the back, man. We pretty much building that. You know what I'm saying? That's the point of the channel, trying to build it. As far as audio go, as far as just, you know, just cost stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to build it, get it loud as I possibly can. You know what I'm saying? And trying to see how far I can take it. It currently, you know what I'm saying, the current setup is good for what it is, but I still got some more upgrading to do. Got a lot to do to it, man. But like I said, just left a car show, slamming the gunk, you know what I'm saying, Montgomery, Alabama. Well, you getting everything you can get out them motherfuckers. Oh yeah, God damn